Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a very quick video while I'm out here, just me, my boat, and the open ocean. And I want to quickly talk to you about multiple streams of income, okay? Because that's what is allowing me to be out here about to start fishing, and my different streams of income are still going to be producing income for me. So I'm out here doing what I love, fishing, and I'm still making money with my streams of income, okay? And on this page, you're going to learn exactly how you can follow one of our streams of income where we've set up an entire step-by-step blueprint that's going to show you exactly how to set up simple affiliate niche sites that take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to set up, and then you plug that into our AI software that's going to go ahead and take it from that point forward and automate the entire process of writing, optimizing, and ranking that content long term, so that these sites end up producing anywhere from $50 to $2,000 per month for you, and you don't have to touch it from that point forward. Okay, so we've laid everything out for you on this page. You're going to see case studies, you're going to see real proof, you're going to see absolutely everything that you're getting on this page, and we've set up a very special deal for you right now. All right, so this is again a step-by-step blueprint. The sites take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to set up. Then you plug it into our automation software, and our AI software takes it from there. Okay, so very exciting package that we've got here, where we're going to show you everything step by step in our case study training. There's also a case study in there that you'll be able to see, and you're also going to get access to the software that we've created that automates the entire process. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my computer now to kind of explain a little bit more about what we've got going on here. But if not, go ahead and see all the proof below, see everything you're getting, see a sneak peek of the software, and make sure you go ahead and claim your discount. This method requires no previous experience because everything is revealed inside of this blueprint with all the exact resources that we use, so everything is literally copy and paste. You can deploy the entire system in a matter of days and then just manage it with only a few hours per week. I'm talking about simple AI affiliate niche sites that are able to get fast page order rankings for profitable keywords, just like the ones you see on the screen, where this keyword gets over 2,000 searches per month and we're ranked in position number 5. This one, 19,000 searches, ranked number 9. 500 searches, ranked number 7. And another site here where this keyword gets 3,000 searches a month, we're ranked number 8. 2,800 searches a month, we're ranked number 8. 70 searches a month, we're ranked number 2. 1,100 searches, ranked number 12. Just like this here as well. 250 searches a month, ranked number 1. Over 1,100 searches, ranked number 6. 700 searches, ranked number 7, and all these other rankings that we're getting are able to turn into traffic like this that you see here, where we've gotten over 2.6 million impressions and over 6,000 clicks to our site, over 7 million impressions here, and over 1,300 clicks on this site. All right, and that traffic being able to turn into affiliate commissions just like this, where in July of 2025, which was a Saturday, it was a $685 day, and then over $1,600 for that month for this site, over $1,700 for the month with this site, another $600 per month with this site, $500 in the month of June as well for this site, and another $476.40 with this site, and one of our bigger sites with over $5,700 in commissions, and a smaller site here that consistently does over $100 per month passively. We reveal our exact method for dominating low competition keywords so that anyone can get results quickly when you copy our strategies. We show you the exact low competition monetization strategy that we use, which also gives us an advantage with even less competition, so you have an even better chance for getting fast results. We show you our exact dummy-proof process to get our sites ranking on page 1 of Google, so you can get all the free traffic you ever need. And we're throwing in a huge bonus module where you'll see our exact scaling strategies with all our resources included, so you can be as hands-off as possible when you're ready. But before we get into any of that, let's talk about an unpopular fact, which is that niche sites are not dead. Everyone is just focused on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is all the rage right now, right? Everyone and their mom is focused on the latest and greatest new AI software. And don't get me wrong, we love AI as well. We use it on a daily basis. However, we also love the same simple and proven strategies that have been delivering results for us long before AI even existed. While everyone is focused on AI, we've been quietly crushing it every single month with simple affiliate niche sites that quickly rank on page 1 of Google. More importantly, let's get back to the topic at hand, because we've been doing some extensive testing over the last 18 months to perfect and systematize our entire process. And during this testing and tweaking phase, we've come across one of our simplest and most profitable strategies yet. Yup, we've ironed out all the kinks and have streamlined our entire process so that anyone can get the same results. We've developed our simplest, most proven and duplicatable blueprint for quickly ranking niche sites on page 1 of Google for easy affiliate commissions. And we've simplified it into an easy to follow 4-step system. Step 1 is to follow our proven strategies for targeting low competition buyer keywords that get results. Yup, low competition keywords are our bread and butter. We, like most people, want to get results fast, and we want to get paid fast. And with our method, we average getting page 1 rankings by week 2. Step 2 is to follow the exact step-by-step formula that we use to build out your site. Not only do we like targeting low competition keywords because of how fast we get results with them, we've also developed a very specific formula for how we build our sites. We like to keep this process simple as well so that we can do it over and over and over again. There's 0 technical skills required, 0 design skills required. Heck, we don't even spend money to buy a premium theme. Yup, we only use free themes that already come built into the WordPress theme library. We show you exactly which ones. Step 3 is to follow our proven system for getting your site ranked on page 1 of Google fast. This is the step where most people fail and or give up, and it's understandable. This step can easily get very complicated and frustrating, but we have been able to develop a step-by-step process for getting your site ranked on page 1 of Google within a matter of weeks. And there is nothing complicated about our process. We literally made it step by step. We cover each step in detail and avoid all the other strategies that don't work. Step 4 is to deploy the exact low competition monetization strategy that we use, which most people never talk about. This is easily the most exciting part of the process, monetizing your site. And we are not doing the traditional affiliate marketing offers. We monetize our sites with one of the least competitive strategies out there, pay-per-call affiliate offers. Yup, most people have 0 idea how profitable these offers are, and most affiliates don't even think about targeting them. This allows us to dominate just about any area that we target because there is very little competition. Plus, this requires 0 sales skills on your part. And our step number 5 is to automate and scale your business as much or as little as you like. We know that not everyone wants to automate and or scale their business to the moon. Many of us are just happy with making an extra $100 to $1,000 per month and would be more than happy running the entire operation on your own. However, for those of you who would prefer to be less hands-on and would prefer to have a team or our app handle everything for you, then this optional step number 5 is for you. We're going to show you exactly how to automate the entire process once you have your site set up. And I literally mean automate every step. Our app will write, optimize, and continue to post and rank content for you long term. We could have easily sold this automation app and process as its own upsell, but you're getting it for free as a special bonus during this launch special. And you want to know the best part? Going through the first 4 steps I just mentioned above can be completed in a matter of days. All you have to do is just follow the exact instructions that we outline inside of the course. We have developed and perfected a duplicatable system, and it includes nothing complicated, nothing technical, nothing that's hard to do, nothing that can't be copied. We all know that niche sites has been and continues to be one of the most profitable strategies for countless online marketers, right? Why? Well, because niche site SEO is still the best and number 1 way to get free targeted buyer traffic in today's online world. Alright guys, Joshua Zamora here, and in this short video I'm going to walk you through a quick sneak peek demo of our Zairp app, which is a huge bonus that you're getting as part of this launch. Zairp is what's going to allow you to automate the most important part of our blueprint, which is writing, optimizing, and continuing to post content to your site so that it can grow over time and continue to get more rankings, more traffic, and more sales for you without you having to do anything else. So Zairp comes into play after you follow the exact blueprint that we've laid out of exactly how to find keywords to rank for, how to find the right niches, how to properly set up your site the way that we do, which theme to set up, all of that stuff. Once you get that part done, then that's when Zairp comes in. You plug your sites into this AI platform and it will take it from there. And like I said, it will write your content for you, optimize your content for you, and post your content for you for as long as you like. So let's go ahead and jump into this demo video so you can see just how powerful this platform is and how valuable this is as a bonus to the blueprint that you're getting on this page. So the first thing you're going to do is pretty much plug in your site. This literally takes under a minute. You just put your URL, your username, and your password, and you add the site to our platform. You also want to install our plugin, which again will take you no more than a couple minutes to download and install it on your site. Once you have that done, you come here to the projects tab. You click add new project here. You name this. So I'll do drone repair Naples, and we'll go ahead and create a campaign for the Naples city in Florida. I'll click next. You select the sites that you want this project to be deployed on. You can choose for us to customize your site settings as well. If it's a new site that you just set up, you will want to click yes. This will install a theme, install vital WordPress plugins. It will activate SEO friendly URLs, all of that stuff. So if it's a new site, you do want to put yes. If it's an existing site or an existing client site, just leave it at no if you already have done that. Click next. And then here, Zairp will also create multiple authors on your site so that it looks perfectly natural when Zairp is posting all of this content for you. Because if Zairp is going to post 50, 60, 70, 100 different articles on your website, it doesn't look too natural if it's coming from just one author. So you can go ahead and have it create multiple authors so that it rotates through them and it looks a lot more natural, especially when you're having a lot of content posted for you. It looks more natural if it's coming from multiple different authors. I've already done that for this site, so I'm going to leave it at no. I'm going to click next. And here is really what's impressive about Zairp is that we have the biggest database built into our platform so that you can literally target any country, any state, any city, any zip code that you want. You can see all the way from A all the way down to Z. We have every single country built into here, okay? And all you got to do to find the area that you want to target is just click the arrow here, and then it's going to collapse and it's going to show you every single state in that country. And then once you find the state that you want, I'm going to do Florida, then you just go ahead and find the city that you want. So in this campaign, I'm going to target the city of Naples. Here we go. And then once you click Naples, it's going to show you every single zip code in that city that you're looking to target. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this and target every single zip code in that city. From this point, I'm going to go ahead and click next. And here is where you can input the keywords that you want to target with your rankings. So I'm going to go ahead and put drone repair. I'm going to put drone repair expert, drone repair professional, and then I'm going to go ahead and do drone repair experts. All right, leave it like that. Click next. And here is pretty much where the magic happens. This is your content settings. This is where you're pretty much telling Zairp to go ahead and write the content for you, optimize the content for you, and then go ahead and post it for you. So we do have two options that you can have done for you. So we do have our AI writer built into here. So as you can see, we have multiple different languages that you can have content written for you as well. So if you are targeting other areas with our geolocation option, then you can go ahead and match that with the proper language in that area. Okay, and then down here you can provide the niche, and also you can provide the topics that you would like for Zairp to cover. So if you're in the weight loss niche, you can put niche weight loss, and then you can put something like how to lose weight in your belly as an example. Okay, and then what are the best exercises? And then go ahead and click generate. All right, obviously I'm going to go ahead and use that old piece of article that I have because it's been working and there's no reason to change it up. I'm just going to go ahead and use that same article, but I'm just showing you how you can come in here and have content written for you as well. All right, so there within a few minutes, you can see that Zairp wrote a perfectly readable content for me. It generated my title for me as well. And let's go ahead and read some of this so that you can see how quality this article is. If you want to lose weight, you need to know what you are trying to achieve. You can have a look at the following article to find out how to lose weight in your belly. And then it gives me the H1 tag there. So if you want to go ahead and use that, you can click on use generated. All right. And then you can also go ahead and spin this all within inside of Zairp, especially because we got you a special discount deal for the #1 article spinner on the market that actually understands what your content means so that it can spin your content perfectly and provide you with unique content every time a piece of content is posted on your website. All right, so I'm not going to go ahead and do this for now. All right, I just wanted to show you that you can come in here and have content written for you in a matter of minutes. But let me go ahead and grab the piece of article that I've been using for this particular site, and we can go ahead and continue with this project. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and paste that content that I've been using over and over on this site. Again, it's been one piece of content that I've continued to use for every single city, and it continues to produce page 1 rankings. And again, Zairp is doing everything for me, and I'm putting very little effort into this demo site that I've been getting rankings for. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that there as is. I'm going to change these tags because they are not the tags that I want. All right, and typically these tags are done for you automatically. All right, but since we had a content around weight loss written for me, it went ahead and generated relevant tags around that niche. All right, we can also go ahead and automatically add images to our content from inside of Zairp. So I'm going to go ahead and search for drone, and I'm going to go ahead and select multiple of these so that every piece of content gets a new image, or it rotates through these images. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close that for now. You can also add videos. So I'm going to do drone repair. And this is giving Google exactly what it wants. I'm giving it unique content, I'm giving it images, and I'm giving it video so that I'm covering every single type of media that it wants to provide to users. Okay, so I'm selecting all of these, and it's going to go ahead and rotate through those so that every time it posts a new piece of content, it's also going to go with unique images and unique videos, and it's going to rotate through all of those each time. You also have the ability to add a business schema markup. If you are working with a local client, you can just click yes, fill out this information, and each piece of content that gets posted with your content is going to have your local client's business schema markup so that you can boost their local maps ranking as well. You also have the ability to interlink content. Okay, the reason that Wikipedia ranks so good is because it interlinks just about every single word to another piece of content on its site. So we've built that same ability for you to do that automatically inside of Zairp. You just input which keywords you want it to interlink to other posts on your site, and do that by keyword. And now that this is done, all you gotta, oh wait, I also have to change this up, because you also have the ability to optimize your content automatically. So I'm going to go ahead and optimize this by keyword. All right, so the keyword that I put in the previous option is being automatically inserted here, and then I'm going to put the city and the zip tag in there as well, so that it automatically optimizes my posts for these options. And one thing that you want to do as well is make sure that you sprinkle this throughout your content as well. All right, obviously you want to spend more time and actually incorporate it into the actual into an actual sentence so that it makes sense. All right, but just for the purpose of this demo video, I'm just sprinkling it into anywhere random place so that you can see that you do have to input your tags in here so that Zairp knows where you want it to optimize your content for you. Okay, so once that is done, all you got to do is click next. And then here you can enable content syndication as well, so that Zairp automatically syndicates your content for you as well. So I'll go ahead and click yes. And then all of you that purchase Zairp are getting a free SynLab account as well. So we do have a tutorial video that will show you how to connect Zairp with SynLab, so that every single time a post gets done for you, it automatically gets syndicated for you as well. All right, so here all you got to do is input this information down here, which is the title. All right, and then what I usually do is take a snippet of the content to use as the actual blog content. All right, so I'll paste that there. And then you also want to go ahead and put the URL tag, as we tell you here in the directions, so that it's linking back to your site. And I'm going to go ahead and use this for each of the options. So now every time that Zairp makes a post on my site, it's also going to syndicate it to Web 2.0 blogs, to bookmarking sites, to social sites, all for me hands-free as well. So at this point, I'm telling Zairp what content to write, what content to optimize, how to optimize that content, how to post that content, and then how to syndicate that content. And then the tags here, I'm going to use the drone tags. Then I'm going to click next. And then here is where you can go ahead and have the option to schedule out your posts. So the total maximum posts, you can see here, there are 60 based on the combination of location and keywords that I've entered. So if you want to have all 60 done for you, or whatever number is here, then you go ahead and put that number here. If you wanted to do less, then you do less. But the maximum that I can do for this particular project is 60 based on the locations that I selected, which is the city of Naples, and the keywords that I inputted, which was about 3 or 4 different keywords. So based on every single type of combination that Zairp can do for me, it comes out to 60 posts. And then here I have the option to either schedule it based on number of days, or based on a minimum and a maximum number of posts that it does for me on a daily basis. So I'm going to go ahead and do minimum and maximum per day. I'm going to have it do a minimum of 1 post per day and a maximum of 3 posts per day. Now, depending on which package you purchase, you'll have different limitations on how much you can actually schedule. Okay, so just make sure you pay attention to that if you do want the ability to schedule more content. Once this is done, you click next. You get a summary of everything that you just did. So it's posting to one site. It's not customizing the site settings for me because it's already done. It's not creating users because it's already done. It's posting to 15 different zip codes inside of one city. I've inputted 4 keywords. I've selected the most detailed optimization is by zip code. I selected 13 images. 12 videos. Schema markup is not enabled, and it's going to be making 60 posts for me on a random schedule between 1 and 3 posts per day, and it should take about 30 days to complete. All right, so that looks great for me. Now I'm going to go ahead and just hit save and start, and now this project has started. Okay, so that's how simple it is to come in here and tell Zairp to do exactly what you want it to do, so that you can go ahead and go out there and get page 1 rankings without having to touch this ever again. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and get the power of this automation and artificial intelligence in your arsenal, go ahead and click the link below and pick up your account. That's a simple fact. There is no other traffic source out there that converts better than search engine traffic. Year after year, SEO continues to lead the way in terms of delivering quality traffic, sales, and leads to businesses of all types. But some of you might still be wondering, why should I trust that your strategy will work for me? What makes it different? And that's a great question, so let's break this down a little further. Our entire process is based on a simple, easy to follow, copy-paste process. Nothing that we do is complicated because we ourselves are not tech savvy or graphically gifted. Our entire process is also based around low competition strategies. We like getting results fast, and we know that you do too. We also go local with our strategy, which reduces our competition even more. We've mastered the local affiliate marketing game. Our monetization strategy also has much less competition than most of the popular affiliate programs. We monetize our sites with proven pay-per-call affiliate programs, and we target offers that pay us between $15 to $120 per call that we generate. So in summary, our entire strategy is built so that you have the highest probability of getting results with our localized, low competition affiliate marketing blueprint. And now let's cut to the next most important question going through your mind right now. How much is it to get access to this step-by-step blueprint? We were truly considering taking this directly to the mass public market and charging a hefty monthly recurring fee for it. We know how much money you guys can make by following our process, how much our market is lacking for a real reliable product, and how valuable a blueprint like this is to the marketplace. So when we tell you that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to secure access to our blueprint for this insane pre-launch discount, we truly mean it. This program is not even available to be purchased outside of this page. Heck, this is the first time anyone is ever hearing about this secret blueprint we've developed. This is why we're offering it at such a tremendous value. And trust me, you may never see it offered at this price with this much value and the amazing bonuses we have below this page ever again. I highly recommend securing this pre-launch discount today. And of course, we also have a 30-day money-back guarantee that you'll be able to learn about below as well. So go ahead and get the exact blueprint at a huge limited discount below.
Don't miss my bonuses for you. Let's check the article to know details. Like and subscribe to my channel to get new product demo from me. Thank you for watching, and see you again.